Hello guys and welcome back into today's daily live stream. Hope you guys are having a great morning. Let's go over these stocks that we are watching for today. Good morning. SPY is overall bullish. Our price target is $480 straight up. Okay, that is our price target. I'm going to quickly send the alert on Discord, but I was watching Apple right here for a call play. Where's my phone? UPST. I'm going to quickly send out the alert on Discord. So Apple looks very bullish right here. We have a flag breakout. The first two candles are kind of green right now. Hope you guys are having a great morning. I'm quickly sending the alert out on Discord. Live now. Okay, XPEV is up 4% today. Okay, we got a very nice bounce on XPEV, looking very good. Looks very nice right here. If we can close like this, that's going to be a very nice candlestick to kind of average down on. I want to take a look at, okay, so RTX is running. I know some people were still in RTX and that ascending triangle breakout. It looks like it's running. It looks pretty good. Overall, we are bullish for the market. Okay, $480 price target. XPEV is kind of going to be our main play. I'm going to quickly send out a alert on Twitter also, so we can get some more people in this live trading channel. It's live now. Let me know what stocks you guys are watching. I'm quickly sending out the alerts on. Okay, so we're in XPEV. I was watching Macy's right here actually. I'm watching Macy's for this symmetrical triangle breakout. I want to grab next week calls. This is the current play that I'm watching. And then we also had a play on Apple. Apple also looks like a great play for the breakout. So I want to grab Apple as well as Macy's for next week. What I quickly actually want to do is I want to see if we have any catalysts into next week, because if I'm going to be swinging any plays, I want to make sure that there aren't any hit or miss catalysts. So I'm going to quickly check the next week calendar. We have FOMC meeting minutes, so Wednesday, that's a little bit concerning. And then we have Monday, I believe the market is closed. So we have an extra day of theta for the overall market. Okay, so I'm looking at Macy's and Apple, and I was also looking at Microsoft. Yeah, I was also actually looking at Microsoft to add it in right here to my watch list. I got a pretty big watch list now. Make sure to leave a like if you have not already. We got 47 people watching and we only got 3 likes. So we're taking a look at Microsoft. I'm going to remove my chart here. But yeah, I saw this ascending triangle the other day. It's another play that I'm kind of watching in. So Microsoft also looks good. Microsoft, Apple, Macy's. Okay, these are the 3 plays that I'm watching. Let's add Apple right here. XPEV is up 5%. Let me see how much I'm up on my contracts. Did any of you guys average down on XPEV? Then you should be up a pretty good amount. Okay, let's take a look at, because if XPEV is running, we have to see NIO. Okay, NIO, Lee. Wow, Lee is running even harder. Okay, all the EVs are looking incredible. How much is Tesla up? Tesla is up 1%. Okay, our Tesla calls are killing it. The February ones. Okay, let me see how much I'm up on XPEV. I'm break even, I'm up 4%, so pretty good amount. For the small account challenge, it was a small account challenge play. Average down, yeah. Yeah, that's a great solid play on averaging down on the Discord. That was a solid play, averaging down on XPEV. But we need to close like this. Okay, we need to close like this, and we need to see the momentum because we already have LI, which is another Chinese EV stock already running, and then NIO is another one. And the thing about NIO is it has a gap, so the price target is going to be like 1029. BLNK, SSNT. Average down yesterday. Yeah. Okay, so the three plays that I'm watching. Okay, the three plays that I'm watching is Apple, Microsoft, and Macy's. Okay, these are the three plays that I'm watching. I'm loving Macy's here because first of all, it's really dirt cheap. Okay, it's dirt cheap. The second thing, this is getting extremely tight, and it's a matter of time before it breaks out. And the third thing, I love the stop loss. The stop loss is literally right here. Okay, the contracts are sitting at like $40. Check out SNES 4 trades. 4-day trade. Is the ticker symbol SNES? Looks like a penny stock. It filled the gap down here. What about ILY? Is it LLY? LLY. LLY looks interesting. We have this sort of downtrend breakout type symmetrical triangle. I'll add it to my watch list, but I don't like this price action right here. I'll add it to my watch list though. It looks good. It looks good. Okay, we got a lot of plays. We already got a lot of plays that I'm watching, okay? I'll have to make another watch list, okay? Because for the next week, we got a lot of plays for our Sunday Stock Talk newsletter. And then, so since Monday is a holiday, I believe the market is closed on Monday. I'm not 100% sure, but it says holiday right over here. And then we have FOMC meeting minutes, which is a concerning factor. This definitely affects the market. Okay, so Apple, Microsoft, Macy's. Okay, these are the three plays that I am watching. If Macy's closes above the level of resistance, that's going to be our the play, okay? If it closes below, I'm not playing it. Okay, let me check the Discords right now. Make sure to leave a like if you have not already. We got 60 people watching. We are also going to be going live tomorrow and the rest of next week. Let me check the Discords right now. Man, XPEV, a close like this would be incredible. We can for sure see some consolidation. If you average down, you know, taking in profits would not be a bad idea. Let's see. Okay. Man, this is great. I'm excited. I'm excited. Who's in XPEV with me? Let me see how much I'm up. If you average down, you're up like 60% at least on XPEV. Original contract up 11%. We're looking good. Because I think pretty much all EV stocks are going to run. The only thing that I'm concerned a little about XPEV is the expiration that I got. I didn't realize that market was going to be closed on Monday. But I'm thinking about maybe getting out, taking in profits, and then getting like a longer expiration. Let's take a look at our other stocks. We got a pretty big watch list here. So again, Macy's, Microsoft, and Apple. Okay, keep in mind of these three tickers. Add it to your watch list. We got a ascending triangle set up on Microsoft with a price target of $383. We got a bull flag breakout on Apple. If it closes like this, it's going to be great. And Macy's looks absolutely incredible. I might actually, okay, this is kind of my next play. Okay, this is kind of the next play that I alerted on the Discord. So I think I'm gonna enter in right now. I want to enter in next week expiration. I'm gonna enter in right now. I got my broker right here. It's gonna be dirt cheap. The contracts are dirt cheap. XPEV is up 7%, guys. XPEV is up 7%. Okay, I'm getting into Macy's. Ticker symbol M. Yeah, so I'm thinking next week expiration. Tomorrow, okay. December 29th, January 5th. Contracts are sitting at like $49 for Macy's. Now, since it's cheap doesn't mean, you buy in even more. You gotta position yourself. Like what I do is 10% each play, and as long as if I have more wins and less losses, we're doing good. The last loss we had was on GameStop, and I only had like 3 contracts. So Macy's, can you check IMPP? Yeah, it's a $2 stock. Nothing crazy. It's kind of just running here. If you want to see a parabolic stock, Mara is going absolutely parabolic right now. Where's Macy's? I'm still waiting a little bit on Macy's. Okay, I'm still waiting on. But Macy's is going to be the really good play right here. Or looking amazing. Okay, where's XPV? 7%. Let me check. Okay, so I'm thinking about, so for the small account challenge, I think I'm going to get out of XPV, 13% win on XPV, because I want to put the small account in Macy's. So I just sold out of XPV, and I'm sending the alert on Discord right now. Closing my position. I'm out of XPEV on the small account challenge. XPEV was a small account challenge play. The reason that I'm out is because I want to get into Macy's. So I want to get into Macy's right now. M-Strike. M-Strike is going to be at the money. I usually do right at the money, $20. So I'm sending a alert on the Discords right now. Thank you for being in the live stream. Really appreciate it. This is going to be the next play, okay? This is going to be the next play. I'm quickly sending out a alert on, where's the small account challenge 1.5? Want to play M. Okay, guys. I got out of XPV. I'm entering into Macy's. Wait, let me see. Okay. I'm just double checking. For the small account challenge. Okay, we're up a pretty good amount. Okay, we're up a really good amount for the small account challenge. So how much should we put in Macy's stock? Okay. Our small account challenge is at $1,800 from $1,000 we started last week. And I'm going to put, I think, $500. I think $500 is a good amount on Macy's. Okay, I just got into Macy's. I'm sending out all the alerts on Discord in a second. Long call order. Okay. So I got a 20 strike. Let me see. 20 strike next week expiration. I put $500 for the small account challenge. Buy to open M20 call. Our expiration is, what was the expiration? January 5th, next week expiration. My order fill was 0.5. Average 0.49. This is a small account challenge play, okay? Small account challenge play. And I got 10 contracts. Okay. Who's in Macy's? Macy's buyout price was $21. Yeah, I saw the news, but I'm looking at this. I'm just taking a look at this setup. You know, it's a technical analysis setup for the breakout. So $21 would be right here, and that would be kind of like the price target. $21 would be price target. Who's in Macy's? Let me know. XPEV is up 8% almost. 8%. Look how tight Macy's is getting. Okay, we got a couple people in Macy's. I love the stop loss. Because if we close below on the daily time frame, I'm out. The reason I got out of XPEV and got into Macy's on these small account challenges because of how tight it has gotten. So it's a matter of time before it breaks out, and I just want like a 20-30% gain. BTC, Bitcoin. Be bullish on Bitcoin. You know, long term, 250,000. 2025 price target, 250,000. I think we made a video on Bitcoin yesterday. But man, this setup on Macy's is looking great. I love setups like look at how tight it has gotten. Okay, I could show you guys so many examples. SSNT. This was a play on the small account challenge, and I got out early. I got out for like a 12% gain. I think it's up like 40% right now. It's up like 30%. 30%. Who played SSNT? This was such a great play. The end plays that if you're in the Discord, oh shit, I forgot to alert it on all the other servers. The Macy's contract that I got was 20 call, so 20 strike price, January 5th expiration, next week expiration. Quickly going to hope you guys are having a great morning right here. We got over 70 people watching. Make sure to leave a like. We will be going live tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow is going to be a very interesting one since we are swinging. Macy's. Okay. In Macy. Macy's looking great. We are looking great. XPEV at 8%. Guys, who's still in XPEV? We're up 8%. BA is below $80. Where's BA? Alright, this is a solid, great short play right here. But I'm not gonna. I don't know. I'm probably just gonna skip here. I don't know. Looks good for a short, but I want to see Macy's go up. BLNK. Where's BLNK? Yeah, BLNK is looking decent. It's just kind of consolidating. Stop loss at break even. XPEV. Yeah, Macy's is our current play right now. So if you didn't play XPEV, this is kind of it. But this looks even better than XPEV because we're playing a breakout, and just cause how tight it's here, you know, it looks great. I'm excited. I'm very excited. we could see a breakout. I'm up 6% on. %6 on Macy's. So the price target would be $21. Okay, if the price target is $21, let's see how much we can potentially make. So I use this website to do the calculation on options. The ticker is M. Macy's. Man, Macy's, I'm excited. I'm so excited right now. You know, live trading this with you guys, I'm excited. Let's do, so we had January 20th. My order was 0.49. I only had 5. The price target that I have is $21. So that's 100% gain. Like, solid 100% gain. Even if we hit $21 at expiration, if we hit sooner, you know, 120%. But I'm excited. I'm excited for this play. What's XPV price target? So what are your thoughts on SPY 48 puts for December? Yeah, SPY 48 puts. I'm not too sure. Not too confident in shorting the trend. XPV price target $15 and then $16. I think we went over this on there. Hope you guys are having a great morning right here. Okay, where's Macy's? Where's Macy's? Okay, we're looking good. Man, a close above $20.29 would send this straight to 21%, like to $21. I mean, and then I'm out. You know, I'm taking out my 100% gains, and the small account challenge is gonna be at like $2,500. We're absolutely killing it on the small account challenge, and we only got like $500 in this play. You know, we're managing our risk. We're doing a pretty good job. I'll send out a recap on the small account challenge later on Discord. Okay, later on Discord. 12% on Macy's. Okay, let's see how many likes we got. I'm gonna refresh this right here. We got 70 people watching live and only 19 likes. Okay, make sure to leave a like right now. Would really appreciate it. If you guys want to see the live stream tomorrow, we have a live stream tomorrow also, so make sure to subscribe with notifications on. Okay, don't forget about Microsoft and Apple. Okay, add this to your watch list, because sometimes I just forget the plays. Like a lot of the plays that I have, look how big my watch list is. Like you can short BA if we close below this play, but make sure that you have Apple and Microsoft on your watch list. If Macy's pops tomorrow and Microsoft comes down below at this level of support, I may get out of Macy's and get into Microsoft for the small account challenge. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, very much. I really appreciate the likes. Yeah, BA looks bearish for sure. It for sure looks bearish. And this is one of, okay, so let's take a look at 5 minute. So right here, this is a solid short play, like, but I'm just not gonna play it. I mean, have the stop loss above like 260. If it breaks 260, it's going to be a falling knife. The thing about BA, why I am comfortable with shorting BA, is because of many reasons. This isn't like some like growth stock where it, like a tech stock where it just keeps going up and whatnot. So we have a massive level of resistance right here for BA, and I'm comfortable with shorting a stock like BA. Macy's. Okay, let's take a look at the 5-minute for Macy's. We got the momentum. Okay, we got the momentum right here. So this looks good. Let's see how much I'm up. We are absolutely killing it on. I just sold XPEV. Very nice. Yeah. If you guys do want to join, because we are doing a live small account challenge. Okay, wap.com/firecycle114. I think we got only 4 spots left. And we have a stock market psychology course, and I'll be adding a Bitcoin course. And if anyone wants to leave a review, we just made this this month. It's very new. Make sure to check that out. Tesla is tanking. Where is Tesla? It's only down 0.10%. Tesla, yeah, it looks great. It looks great overall long term. It'll hit 300 by February. Okay, that's kind of the price target. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Yeah. Oh, where's Macy's? I'm excited. Let me check the Discord real quick. Yeah. Yeah, you can still enter an M. I had a DM on Macy's. I go, yeah. We out of XPEV. Man, I'm excited. I'm so excited for Macy's. We got 34 likes, 63 people watching. Make sure to leave a like, would help out a lot. Yeah, the thing about Tesla is it's like a long-term play, like a February expiration, and the entry that we got was before it broke out. We entered in Tesla. I'm talking about the February expiration, not the weekly calls. The weekly calls are up probably like 200% right now. I got out at 50%. But we entered in like right here. And I'm up on the February expiration. But Macy's, I'm excited, guys. I'm so excited for Macy's. Yeah, 3 runners for XPV is nice. I would probably get a little bit more time. Because we can for sure see $17. But for me, it's positioning. What play do you want to be in? You know, Macy's to me looks a little bit more better since it's kind of squeezing right now. Can always get back in the dip. Yeah, for sure. I'm already up 17%. Let me see how much I am up on Macy's. Oh shoot! I hate the fingerprint. Yeah, I'm up 18% on Macy's. Absolutely killing it right now. Okay, let's take a look at, because again, we're overall bullish for the market. I would become very, very cautious at $480. That is when I would be cautious. And then next week we have Wednesday FOMC meeting minutes. I'll be going live then to see the live reaction, but it's going to be a coin flip, hit or miss. PayPal is shares. Again, I'm not in options for PayPal. There is a setup. It looks to be a very nice setup right here for PayPal. But we're up 15% on our PayPal shares. Okay, you guys can go to my YouTube, search FireCycle114 PayPal stock, and you guys can see, we bought in right at the lows. I think there's also a TikTok that I made. BLNK 3%, SSNT up 5%. I want to know if anyone is still in SSNT. Who is in SSNT still? Man. This was a small account challenge play. Like, this was a play on shares, no options. And we have a 100% win rate on shares right now. And like a 99% on options. Man. Look. Is Macy's gonna pull a SSNT? We're in options. We're in options for Macy's. You're still in SSNT? How much are you up on? This is actually a secret play. I haven't talked about Lucid on my videos yet. I'll probably make a video next week, but this is like a long-term shares play. The chart is messed up. Oh, shit. Macy's hasn't even broken out yet. We are looking amazing. Oh my god, man, it's going for that breakout. It's going for that breakout. We gotta be... Man, it's done. It's looking good. The small account is getting... It's doing amazing, man. $21. Have the stop loss close that. Yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you guys watching. I love doing this. Next week is going to be the last week that we do live streaming, though. Because we have the Santa Claus rally. This is a very, this is a yearly thing. Because Santa Claus rally is my most favorite time for the market. And then summer of like June when we have the earnings season. So summer and the Santa Claus rally are like the most bullish times for the market. And yeah. Yeah, thank you. It's all you. It's all you. You know, you're the one entering into the play. I'm just the one showing the play. But it is all you at the end. Yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for buying in. So, if we make $500... Our small account challenge is going to be at 2,500. I saw a profit on, let's go to Discord. I think some small account challenges have hit like 3,000. So that's a pretty good number. Let's check the Discord right now. My Macy's price target for today, for probably 43. But let me see. Okay, oh shoot. Yeah, if you average down on, congrats on the XPV play. But yeah, 21 price target for Macy's. And make sure to send your profits on Discord. Yeah, so small account challenges, some accounts are up to $3,000. So this is the small account challenge. We had the XPV play. We had our SSNT. The account went from 1,000 to 1,700. This was our play on Google. So we're doing pretty good on it. Yeah. But we for sure... Okay, wait, let me check the... Yeah. Okay. I swear to God, I'm so excited on Macy's because the thing about XPV was we were playing the bounce, so it's like, okay, it's gonna be a waiting game. It likes to consolidate and whatnot. It's a $14 stock, like okay, but Macy's, okay, it's gotten so tight. It's literally about to squeeze right here. It's gonna take 1 to 2 days for it to decide if we break to the upside or to the downside. Um, there's for sure a possibility where the whole market just dumps and Macy's closes below that. That's for sure a probability. How many spots do we have? I think, did we sell out for the Discord? Okay, we got 3 spots. Okay. Yeah, once it's sold out, because it's going to be too late for anyone to enter in for these small account challenge plays, just because of the risk management strategies. Because I want to put, so since the small account challenge hit $2,000, the strategy that I'm looking at is I put 500 into each play. So we got 4 chances, 4 plays. And as long as if we are winning more than we are losing, we are doing good. Yeah. But one thing I have to tell you guys this. We got to know when to trade and when not to trade. Because there's always opportunities and whatnot. So there's probably going to be like a month or a couple weeks where I might not trade, where it might not just be a good time to trade, and you have to be ready for that. Um, BA is going for that breakout to the downside. Man, SSNT is at $14. $14 for SSNT. Man, wow. Are we gonna trade sideways for Macy's? Will we trade sideways? So I think what's gonna happen is I'm trying to see. I want to see where I want to put the stop loss because we do have next week expiration for Macy's. So we have one candle, and then the next candle. So tomorrow is really going to be the deciding factor. Okay, tomorrow is going to be the deciding factor. What happens? We either close below, we close to the upside. 21 price target. That's 100% gain. So waiting game for Macy's. Okay, let's take a look at the 5 minute. I haven't actually taken a look at the 5. We might see some sort of consolidation. I think what we just need is for Macy's to close above $20.35. RKLB. And plug. For the premium subscribers, I also do like analysis. If you have like a stock that you want me to analyze, I'll also do that. So we have plug and then RKLB. Looks like, yeah, looks like the Roblox setup. I still got the Roblox shares. I think I'm just gonna hold it for long term. Small account challenge, absolutely killing it. Let's see. Where's Macy's? Small account challenge, absolutely killing it. Okay, so after Macy's, I'm looking at Microsoft for the small account challenge. Okay, we're taking a look at Microsoft. That's gonna be kind of the next Microsoft and Apple. If we can have that 100% gainer on Macy's, that's gonna be nice. Make sure to send your profits on the Discord. Okay. $21. Are we gonna hit? Do you guys think? Can I do a poll here? Let me see if we can do a poll. Do you guys think we close above $20.30? Okay, that is what I want. If we can close above and break the trend, it's gonna pull a SSNT. SSNT, it keeps running. It's not stopping. Also, the great thing about Macy's is the contracts are not wacky. Unlike GameStop, the contracts were so wacky. Like, I paid $49 for one contract. This is a perfect play for small account challenge, even if you only have like $100 in your account. And then you can also do shares. But we got 60 people watching, but 42 likes. Make sure to leave a like if you have not already. If you guys enjoy these streams, it helps me let me know that people are kind of enjoying this stream. Lock in profits, half your position for, yeah. Okay, let's take a look at the 5-minute. We're consolidating here. This is going to be a tough level of resistance. Very tough resistance. But I mean, the overall market is bullish. If SPY runs to 480, I think we're good on Macy's. We are looking incredible. Close above 2040 would be incredible. XPV is at 6%. Yeah, pretty much like take your profits. It's probably going to trade sideways and kind of do its own thing. And let's... I want to see Neo consolidate here. If it can form a ascending triangle and get tighter, similar to the SoFi setup, we can play this gap. Wow. Yeah, EVs. Let's see how many views do I have on the EVs video. Okay, 542 views. Yeah, that was a solid. My Bitcoin videos don't get any views. It looks like no one likes Bitcoin. Has anyone started oh my god. Yeah, be careful with trying to short the trend. You know, just like when you're in a bear market, you keep, trying to buy the dip. Gotta be careful. What do you think of Microsoft? Yeah, I'm watching Microsoft into next week. I'm loving this play. I'm loving the ascending triangle. I hope it kind of rejects and comes back down to support, and then I want to play it. I love the consolidation. It looks like the Amazon breakout that we had on the ascending triangle, as well as the Google. So a lot of these tech stocks are kind of breaking out on their own, and it looks like Microsoft also has a setup. But if it can come back down below, then we can buy in at the support. That would be the perfect entry instead of trying to play the breakout and wait for the breakout. But if it closes below 376, the price target is $380 for Microsoft. I actually hope that BTC dumps. Like, I actually hope that Bitcoin drops. Because I am a long term, I see a very different picture on Bitcoin. I don't want to talk about it too much, but I do have another educational 2 hours extra content coming out for the premium subscribers. So we already have the stock market psychology course that I'm going to be working on, the Bitcoin course. Okay, Macy's, I see. I'm seeing it. I'm watching right here. Can you see clean spark once? What's resistance? What's the ticker? Is it CLSK? Oh my god. Yeah, all Bitcoin mining stocks are just going parabolic. Might actually be a nice short. Yeah, this might be a nice short. But I don't know. Look, it just keeps, even like the last bull cycle, it just keeps going up. I would be just careful with shorting the trend. Okay, where's Macy's? Up 1% on Macy's. How much are you guys up on Macy's? Let me know in the chat how much you guys are up on Macy's. $22%. If we hit $21, that's going to be a solid 100% gainer. $20, 12%. Can we watch your course also if we join the Discord? So we only got 2 spots remaining, and then I'm closing it because of the live small account challenge. But yeah, if you do join the Discord, which you get live buy and sell alerts, small account challenge, we have a long-term account, a $20,000 to $100,000 account, which I'm holding it. It's going to be like a 1-year long challenge. It's going to be pretty easy, relatively easy. But yes, you do get the 2-hour exclusive content. I can actually pull and show you guys what's kind of in the course. Let me see. Are we sold out? I think, I don't know. So let's take a look at apps. This is what is in the stock market psychology. Setting up TradingView, candlesticks, Heikin-Ashi, and lines, watch list sectors and ETFs. And I think this is 2 hours of content. Legs, waves, highs, and lows. So I'm talking about like complete beginner technical analysis to the bread and butter, to more advanced. Like this one gets extremely advanced, and this one is really powerful. Like the XPV play was an example, or the oil play, and I go over like a lot. I go over like my previous 3 years of trading, and I pull out my charts because I have them all saved, and I can show you guys. Yeah, I have like 3 years worth of charts saved on like a Google Drive folder, because I think the best learning experience is experience itself. Like experience in the markets. Like that's really, they call it gnosis, learning from experience instead of having blind faith. Small account is up 83% today, and we didn't have like the whole account in one play. We only got $500 in the Macy's call. .9%. Okay. This was the original alert. BLNK, I'm just holding my original position. I'm not adding on to it. I'm having my stop loss at break even. But honestly, if I saw the price at, because I wasn't looking at BLNK when it went to $4, I would have gotten out. Also, this stock, for some reason, it's trending on Twitter. I saw like a lot of people talking about it. Unusual wheels. Am I logged in? This is a advanced strategy. I don't talk about it a lot. This is a extremely advanced strategies on like finding plays and whatnot. JP Morgan. Let's see if we can find some live plays. I'll show you guys, because there are many ways that I try finding my plays. Wow, JP Morgan going for the all-time highs. Open Interest Explorer. Okay, let's take a look at him. It's mostly bullish. Man, I'm excited. I'm so excited. XPV is pulling back. Did I? Yeah. Okay, let me check. Don't you think it's a good spot to enter? What's the ticker symbol for Man U? Oh, Manchester. I don't like the choppiness. I don't like the way the stock is trading. This gap looks good. Yeah, the Apple entry looks good. But to be honest, I'm not as confident as I'm on this setup than I am on Microsoft. Because okay. 0.75% on Macy's. If anyone grabbed this week expiration, that would be insane. Are you looking to sell M by tomorrow? So according to this options profit calculator, because my price target is $21 for Macy's, and the break even is $20.50. So it depends on tomorrow. If tomorrow we have a massive breakout and we hit $21, and then I'm out on Macy's. I'm taking my profits. I'm taking the 100% gainer. $1,000 to $3,000. Looking pretty good for the small account challenge. Just waiting on Macy's. I'll have to make a video on, because next week Sunday Stock Talk, Microsoft is going to be one of the big plays. Alright, let's take a look at the 5-minute for Macy's. Oh, shoot. Are we going for a breakout? Oh, man. This is the resistance, okay? Look at these two candles. How we rejected this. Do we reject and come all the way back to this level of support? We just need to close above $20.40, and we're looking bullish. I have to accumulate more Bitcoin over the weekend. There's like the 1 week wait for Robinhood transferring funds. Can you show me how you come up with the resistance level? So the resistance itself, it's roof. Like, what's the roof of the price? So first of all, $21 in general is that was the buyout price for Macy's. The reason that it popped right over here was because they had a buyout news, a potential buyout price, and $21 is the price, but it's kind of the resistance. It's the roof. So I go over this on the course if you're interested. We got 2 spots remaining, but I go over on how when we have a ascending triangle or symmetrical, or when we have a symmetrical triangle, the price target is going to be the resistance of the back of the triangle. So where is my brush? So you see how, we have the triangle and it gets smaller and smaller, the price target for the symmetrical triangle is this if we break out to the upside. So it's the starting price, and then because again a symmetrical triangle is a neutral pattern, we can also break this to the downside. It's making higher lows, and the highs are also going lower. So it's a neutral pattern. So that would be the price target, the resistance, and the high of that, and the lower price target would be right here. So if you were to short this to the downside, this would be the price target, 1845, or right over here. So these would be the two price target. That's for a symmetrical triangle. It's different for an ascending, a descending. But where's the so leg waves, highs, lows? It's kind of like the basic psychology and the mental aspect of looking at the charts. Can you please check SQ? Yes. SQ looks like Roblox. I think we talked about this in yesterday's live stream because I have it charted out. But wait, why is my wait? Yeah. So SQ looks like Roblox. What was the other plays? Roblox, SoFi, Robinhood. Coinbase. It is sitting in the accumulation phase. So, yeah, it's looking good. ARK. All of these stocks are looking at accumulation phase. Even IWM, the small cap ETF. And when we break the trend, that is when we get that parabolic move to the upside. Especially IWM, it does it a lot. So this is a whole consolidation phase. You want to buy low and sell high. Can you please check Nike and S? Yeah, for Nike, I'm just waiting for it to come back down at the level of support. And then ESTC. ESTC is kind of flagging right here. Looks like the Boeing setup, BA. It's kind of consolidating right here. What was the other chat? What's your current main picks besides Macy's? We have Microsoft. That's our kind of next play. It's going to be Microsoft calls. But it needs to come back down below. I hope XPV just tanks. It just drops like 10%. Then I want to buy in calls at support again. But XPV is a great play. It's for sure. It's gonna keep on, because again we're taking a look at the weekly time frame. You know, we're playing the support. But I just had to manage my capital and be in Macy's for the small account. Man. Please provide stop loss with entry. Yeah, so my stop loss is with the chart. You know, it's not based off, okay, if I'm down 30% on the contract, I'm getting out. So if a contract goes to 100%, it doesn't. It's a risk management strategy that I use. So this stock popped, incredible. BLNK, incredible. Google, incredible. Tesla, incredible. SoFi and Robinhood were incredible. GME was green, but I got out for a 50% loss. Oil, 90% gain. What stock was this? Oh yeah, this was Target, Costco. Lemonade, incredible. Shares play on Disney long term. Rumble shares play. Man, this play, I didn't even play this. It was Docu. Because sometimes I'll make a video and then I'll just forget about it. Like Docu, we got it right here and I didn't. At least I made the video, you know. This was a 200% on Apple. PayPal we're holding. TLT, I also did not play TLT. look, like a lot of plays, I'll kind of just forget about them because I have way too many plays, and then I don't want to buy like long term because I'm in Bitcoin and PayPal and Roblox, and I wouldn't risk to make like 20%. Like, look, buy low, sell high. That's the strategy. Let's take a look at 5 minute. Okay, it's coming down. It's having its first. It's rejecting this level of resistance. All we need is for us to close above $20.40. GLD. Yeah. I'm very bullish on gold. I think it's going to pull 100%. I was watching gold. I was watching this setup for more than a year. More than a year. And the proof is on Sunday Stock Talk. Go to sundaystocktalk.com and search gold, or search up Fire Cycle 114 gold. I was watching the setup for a year, and I bought my silver and gold bars like a year ago, and they've been just trading sideways. So it needs to close above $20.40 on the daily time frame, like SSNT. SSNT is up 18% today. How long have we been streaming for? 1 hour? It hasn't even felt like an hour. We got 53 people watching, 48 likes. Make sure to leave a like if you guys are enjoying this stream. But man, SSNT. Wow. That's a solid 18%. Yeah, over a year with GLD. The thing was, if I had capital, I would buy. I see gold as a savings rather than a investment. When I buy my silver, I only have $2,000. Like, it's nothing crazy. And then I have a safe. But when I'm buying silver or gold, I see it as like, okay, it's a way to protect against inflation. Like, that's it. I'm not gonna make huge crazy returns. That's Bitcoin, that's PayPal, that's equity and stocks. What would your account be at? So 37%, it would be at, let me do the math. The small account would be at $2,300 if we held SSNT. But if Macy's hits $21, that's going to be 100% gain. But I only got $500 on. Yeah. But BLNK is going to pull a SSNT for sure. I'm talking about just $4.65. And for some reason this stock, it's all over Twitter right now. You brought up PayPal. Yeah, PayPal is long term shares. I mean, it has a setup here. Not bad setup. I'll keep an eye on it, but I'm in shares. I'm in long-term shares. I'm talking about holding it to $120. You know, like Shopify, like Meta. You know, buy low, sell high. When the bull market comes, everything's gonna go up, and you know, and as long as if you bought low, you're doing pretty good. I think the best advice is buy low, sell high. I also added UPST to my watch list. It's probably going to be a play for next week. I don't like the way the stock is trading though, so I'm probably going to pass on it. Man. How is Macy's doing? 0.5%, yeah. We're going to see more volume after before market closes. I'm going to quickly send out a tweet or an X, whatever it's called. SSNT at $15. Boom. Make sure to join the Discord if you have not already, because once the stream is over, this is where you guys are going to be getting the alerts, the live alerts. But yeah, I just want to see close above $20.40 for Macy's. Neo. Oh shoot. Yeah, Neo is going for that gap. It's going for that gap. All EVs are bullish. Neo, Lee, XPEV. But especially Neo since it's going for that gap. But I'm probably going to pass on it. I'm going to pass on this play. Okay, let's take a look at the 5-minute. So we need to see some consolidation here. So we could pull, something like this where we pull back and then we bounce and then we close above the resistance right here, $20.40. That's going to be great. That's going to be the confirmation. Yeah, XPV will be a rinse and repeat for sure. As long as if you got time, you're good. It's probably going to trade sideways a little bit like Tesla. Let's add the VWAP. Just join your Discord. Welcome. Make sure to check your email if you just joined the Discord, and then check the email for the Discord role as well as the course, and then you can access the course on wap.com. I think it's right here. This one. So there should only be one left now. Yeah, there's only one left. Then it's gonna be out. Yeah. RTX. RTX looks good. I just don't trust the stock and the way it trades. One thing that I went over on the course is like, if the ascending triangle is on like RTX and there's ascending triangle on Apple, those are two completely different plays. Because the likely chance and the probability of the ascending triangle succeeding and breaking out on Apple is like 100 times higher than like something like RTX, because everyone is watching Apple. Apple has a $3 trillion market cap. The volume on it is massive. So that is why Apple is actually one of my favorite stocks to trade. If there is a ascending triangle on the daily time frame for Apple, it's done. If there is a downtrend breakout on Apple, it is done. Easy play. PayPal has a setup. I mean, I'm kind of tempted now, because if it's gonna trade like this, where the stop loss, because it has a similar setup to Macy's, then it's gonna be on my watch. I think tomorrow, right at market open, I'm gonna be watching PayPal. PayPal for a breakout on the daily. These 2 weeks price target, and then we also have a gap. Looks good. Looks good for sure. Let's take a look at Macy's. We got to see that bounce on the 5-minute. As long as if we close at $20, we are going to be good. Okay. Bats. What the? Is this it? LSE? I don't know what I'm looking at. Wow. SSNT has to chill. It has to chill. Please take a look at JD. Yes, I will. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Man, I had this setup charted. I think I remember charting this setup with this ascending triangle and the symmetrical triangle breakout. Man. Yeah, that's a solid pop on. I think you were the one who told me about JD, Katie. But man, that's a solid breakout. I got too many plays. Way too many plays. It's kind of hard to. I can't be, at everywhere all at once. So first price target it hit, and then $30.67 bullish above. 29 and 36, 7. Yeah. Yeah, great call on JD. All the EV stocks are looking fire. This Rivian setup might do a day trade on it. BLNK up 6%, SSNT. Man, can it chill? It's insane. Wow. This breakout is insane. PG? Yeah, let's take a look at PG. Procter and Gamble. Okay, I'm seeing the setup. Are you guys seeing what I am seeing on PG? Okay, let's play a game. Okay, what setup am I seeing on PG without charting it right now? Okay, let me know in the comments what setup you guys are seeing. What do you guys think? What's the setup on PG? Let's do a live charting game. Technical Analysis 101. Breakout of a downtrend line. Okay, specifically what pattern? Okay. Ascending triangle, okay. Let's take a look at a bigger picture now. Okay, like here. Wedge. Okay, now I'll do the live charting now. So the correct answer was supposed to be descending triangle. I see the ascending triangle like right here, but I'm talking about a bigger picture. So we got solid support right here. We buy low, we sell high. Then we got a solid descending triangle. Yeah. But let's take a look at even the bigger picture. This support is extended all the way here. So here, here, we got here, and now here. Oh shoot. This is solid. Kind of reminds me of Disney. And then yes, I kind of see the ascending triangle right here. Not too sure about options though. I'd probably play shares on it. But yeah, this looks good. Joined course. Think I got the last one. Let's see if you got the last one. Where is it? Should be closed now. Let's see. It should be closed now. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Okay, yeah, it's out of stock. We're out of stock. That's done. Okay, where is Macy's? Yeah, let me know what you guys think of the course. Think it's a good way, if you don't know much technical analysis, to kind of learn and grow on that. Uh, I joined earlier but didn't receive any email. You should receive an email. Try checking your spam. So yeah, so we got market should be closed next week. Yeah. So stock market is closed next week on Monday. How long do you keep for? Probably into next week. Depends on how we close today. It all depends on how we close today. If we close above $20.40, I'm holding it. Yeah, I'm just kind of holding it. So PayPal, symmetrical triangle, Microsoft descending triangle. That's 3 plays. Apple flag, and then Macy's symmetrical triangle. And then we have a UPS setup, and we have a Rivian setup. So I am watching a lot of plays right now. Like, I have my eyes on many plays, but I have to kind of filter out the plays where it's going to be like, okay, I think this is a plus setup. I want to alert this one instead of this play. So that's what I'm kind of thinking about right now. Macy's is solid A plus setup for sure. I think what makes a plus setup A plus is on how tight it has gotten, because then the risk to reward is amazing because the stop loss is right below. The stop loss is right at the entry. Yeah. I kind of see, like, you could kind of see like like a triangle here on PayPal, and then it flagged here, so you could kind of see like a flag, you know. I can definitely see it breaking out. Um, have the price target at $64. Okay, let's take a look at Macy's on the 5-minute mark. We are seeing a rebound right here. I think we're going to see similar to what we saw right over here where we rebounded, then we just consolidated for the rest of the day. I think we're just going to kind of consolidate for the rest of the day. screeners. PLTR looks interesting. It's just kind of trading sideways right here. I'm kind of surprised SPY is trading like this. To be honest, I thought we were gonna get like a straight up pop to 480. I guess the more sideways it trades, the better. Because 480 is kind of our main level of resistance, and that's the all-time highs. That is the all-time highs. But yeah, I definitely want to take a break. Probably go on a vacation when SPY hits 480. You know, take my profits and put it in like long-term. Some long-term plays. Which is going to be Bitcoin. Typically. Macy's 0.5%. We're seeing that rebound. I kind of hope Microsoft has like 2 red days. Because I want to buy in at the support. Or something like this. Is this a better setup? I'll just move my trend line right over here. Okay, let's see if this... Microsoft, okay. I'm going to be watching this right at market open tomorrow. Apple 4%. LLLY. LLY. Oh yeah, I forgot about this setup also. Also watching this. Man, we got way too many plays. Way too many plays. But we got to be careful. Because again, SPY is the deciding factor. You know? Because if the whole market kind of starts pulling back, it's going to take all these other stocks with it. Man, SSNT is up 20% today. Let's check. Hope you guys are enjoying these live streams. I love doing these live trades because it's like hands-on POV. You know, you're watching me. Boom. The stock breaks out. So, for Macy's, we for sure have to see that close $20.40, because if we have a bullish close, then right at market open tomorrow it's going to pump because of the volume we get at market open. And Macy's looks really just like SSNT. My price target for SSNT was $13. Like, this was where, you know, but I think it's hitting all-time highs now. I think this is like the all-time highs. Yeah. Unless if it... Oh, no, okay. I don't know, to be honest. I would personally take profits. I got out way earlier, though, so it's going to be on you. The live trading is for just this week and next week. Um, yeah, I don't know. It's mostly just this week and next week. But yeah, I'm kind of mostly busy. I want to do it every day eventually, probably in like couple months. What I'm thinking is, yeah, I think the aspect of live trading is incredible, and the live small account challenge. Um, but once the market closes, you guys can talk to me on Discord, because this is where I send out, all the updates and whatnot, day trades and whatnot. Can you please take a look at Netflix? Let's take a look at Netflix. Looks good. Pretty much all tech stocks they have this similar pattern. Are we going to see a pop on tech? Yeah, Netflix has it set up. I'll add it to my watch list. I got too many stocks right here now. Too many stocks. We have the Apple flag, the Microsoft ascending triangle, the Netflix symmetrical triangle, the PayPal symmetrical triangle, UPST consolidation, Rivian consolidation, the Nvidia ascending triangle, which is going to be a play for later on because it needs to it needs to get tighter. It needs to get tighter. A bunch of plays. The Sunday stock talk. The Sunday stock talk is going to be massive. Where's BA? Yeah, it's kind of... Yeah, it looks like a good play. I'm just... I don't know. I don't want to play it, I guess. I think this is a great day trade. Yeah, I think I talked about this right at market open. The first three candles, the first two candles are critical. Once we saw the first two candles, it kind of decided the trend for the, I keep mentioning this on my live streams. That's why you have to be awake right at market open. The first three candles are very important. So now it has this falling knife and the trend is to the downside. So yeah, BA is definitely bearish. So if we take a look at where's Macy's? Or even like Tesla, the first three candles were red, and it has this just a falling knife setup. And then let's actually take a look at SPY. Okay, SPY is trading sideways right here. Where's Macy's? So for example, with Macy's, the first two candles were green, and it kind of decided the whole trend. Macy's is doing this. What's target for BA? It was the wick to the downside, or this wick. 257. I mean, this was supposed to be a day trade, I believe. Let's go to the Sunday stock talk. What did I say on the Sunday stock talk? Great play. We're waiting on this. Great play. Great play. I'm not playing this. So be a short play. I'm looking for a short below $260. The RSI is well overbought and at an incredible run for the at market open. Because at market open is very important, because that is when we get the momentum, and that is the deciding factor for kind of the rest of the day. Okay, how is Macy's doing? 0.6%. We're seeing that bounce on the 5 minute time frame, but it's not enough. We need to close above $20.40. We need to close like SSNT, and then it's pretty much kind of guaranteed to pop tomorrow at open. And again, price target for Macy's is $21, and then I'm out right away. Right at. So, okay, if we hit $21, okay, I'm thinking, let's do, okay, if we can hit $21 on Macy's tomorrow, I sell my Macy's position for the small account challenge, and then I could do a play on one of the tech stocks, either Microsoft, Apple. Netflix is too expensive. Yeah, it'll probably be Microsoft or PayPal. So after Macy's, I think I wanna do PayPal for the small account, strictly for the small account challenge. Just because of how tight it has gotten, I think this is a solid A+ setup. Let's see how much I'm up on Macy's. How long have we been? This stream, it feels very short. We're almost streaming for 2 hours. It doesn't feel 2 hours. I guess time goes by fast when you're having fun. Man, I'm so excited. My heart is pumping, but I don't want my emotions to get in. You want to trade completely emotional. That is why I try to not open up my broker when I'm in a play, because I want to have the setup, the stop loss, the price target based off the chart. Strictly the chart, no emotion, no bias. Not looking at, oh, my contract is down 50%, I want to get out. Complete emotionless trading. Because that is the way. That is the way. Yeah, 100% gainer on Netflix. On Macy's would be fire. We got Thursday. Okay. Yeah, tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow is Friday. This week went by fast. Yeah, this week went by incredibly fast. Do you guys have plans for the weekend? Kind of hope it snows. It's supposed to snow today and tomorrow. What do you think of FedEx? Do you guys, I don't know if anyone, I played this ascending, this was such a great play. Because I have like my charts saved from like a year ago, like 2 years ago. This was, wait. This was 1 year ago. I clearly remember playing this ascending triangle setup. You guys can probably search up on my YouTube or my Twitter. But man, this setup, wait, I want to go back and see. Yeah, look at this pop. Bam. Another example of a great A+ setup is when we get extremely tight. I think that is the main. I'll have to make another list. Okay, so for FedEx, we're taking a look at. I want to clear the chart out. Probably gonna remove. Okay, wait. Okay, let's take a look at. It needs to kind of consolidate right here. It's very unclear from what happened with the earnings. So something like this where we kind of just consolidated. It might be like a play in like couple months, but potentially some consolidation here, because it's kind of just cooling off and trading sideways from the massive drop on earnings. So PayPal is going to be the play that I'm watching right at market open. Just keep in mind of market being closed on Monday if you do plan to swing over the weekend. Baidu. Sheesh. Wow. Wow. Yeah, Chinese stocks. XPV, Li Auto, Baidu, Baba. Um, I have like trust issues with Chinese stocks in general with Alibaba. I lost over $10,000, and I think this is live on YouTube. Please don't search this up, but yeah, I think I lost over $10,000. I had like Baba leap call options, and but it was a avoidable mistake, you know, because I was like the setup was like falling wedge. This was like 2 years ago. There was like a falling wedge setup on Alibaba, but I didn't keep my stop loss because I was like, you know, this is the lowest it has ever been. It can't go any lower. And then every other week, the government was like cracking down on Alibaba. So I got trust issues with. But yeah, Chinese stocks are looking incredible. I think right here, I made a newsletter on Alibaba, like right at the bottom. I'll have to show you guys the evidence now. Let's see. So far, I didn't even play this. Oh shoot. This was a premium newsletter. Where is it? Oh, it was. Oh, okay. It was in this newsletter. Unlocking the best Cyber Monday deals. 3 hidden gem stocks. We had Disney. We had Alibaba right at $77. So right around here. And then we had PayPal. 100% a year from now. It's going to be interesting to come back to this newsletter a year from now. Because if you guys remember the Black Friday one, stocks to buy this Black Friday. Meta at $120. I think it doubled now. It's probably sitting at like, did it triple or double? I think it tripled. That was one. So yeah, PayPal is gonna pull like Meta. PayPal is gonna pull a Meta. So we had 112. That was literally like the bottom, right at the bottom. Just like yeah, that was a triple. This stock tripled. And then we had, I went over a lot in this article, in this newsletter, because I was like talking about the metaverse and how they're betting on the metaverse, and it's like the lowest it has ever been. You know, Facebook is sitting at 2015 levels. Then I talked about risk management, and I gave an analogy on Pokemon cards. And then we had the setup on Google, which is up a decent amount. I mean, it was at $98. Yeah. Yeah, we're bullish on Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin was sitting at like 16,000. Like, this was Black Friday. Yeah, we're bullish on Nvidia. It just needs to trade we just need more couple days on it, couple like a week, because it needs to get tighter. Needs to get a lot more tighter. Yeah, we talked about Nike. I'm just kind of waiting for Nike so that it drops more to the downside. But other than that, I'm taking a look at like a bigger picture. If Nike can come back to this level of support, which is, I think it's pretty unlikely. But I don't know. I'm just kind of waiting it out on Nike. It's been 2 hours. SSNT 22%. It is not stopping. It's not stopping. It's pretty much at yearly highs. So yeah, Macy needs to close above $20.40. BLNK, yeah, it can be a long-term hold, but I personally want to get out in like couple weeks or couple months. As I said, I would have sold mine at like $4.40 um, if I was looking at the price right here. But I have my stop loss at break even for BLNK. We got in like right here, so that's going to be the stop loss. But yeah, $4.65 is kind of the price target. This can be a long term, but it's just that I'm not comfortable with the stock. It's a wacky stock, and I would rather have my money, my long-term money, in something like PayPal instead of BLNK. This is more of like a short-term swing trade, as well as Lucid. Okay, let's go to trade ideas. We have, can you check Citigroup, please? Okay, let's check Citigroup. Wow. A falling wedge. I see it as a falling wedge or a ascending triangle. Wait, okay, let's check the RSI. Would be cautious. Let me know what stocks you guys are watching. If you guys have any setups. Because, yeah, we got way too many setups here. Like, way too many. Way too many setups. What is your prediction of Bitcoin or all these crypto stocks in the next year or two? Great question. I'm a long-term investor in Bitcoin. I got a lot of money. When I say a lot, I got a lot. But my average was like 30,000. I'm already up a really good amount on Bitcoin. But I am a long-term investor, 5 + 10 years. So a year from now, my price target is $250,000 per Bitcoin. So price target by 2025 of May. Okay, 2025 of May. $250,000 per Bitcoin. My long-term, 5+ years to 10+ years, my Bitcoin price target is $500,000, which is the market cap of gold, $12 trillion. $250,000 per Bitcoin is the market cap of Apple, $3 trillion. So that's kind of like the knowledge, the basic. Look at AI, please. Yeah, let's take a look at AI. Yeah, I think I charted this yesterday or the day before, but it's kind of forming this cup. It's very unclear because of the way it's trading. So it has like this cup and handle. And if we take a look at kind of like the previous setup also, so it's kind of forming this massive cup and handle on the daily time frame. I think Ethereum may go up with Bitcoin, but I'm not in Ethereum. I do not plan to hold into any Ethereum. I do not like Ethereum, and I am not a fan of Ethereum, and I don't want to touch it. Um, But yeah, I think it may go up. I think Solana would be a way better choice instead of ETH. Like the gas fees on Ethereum are insane. I would rather be in Solana than, but Bitcoin is the way. Bitcoin and crypto are two different things. Um, so AMD, I think we had this charted out on Monday or Tuesday. It broke out. Yeah, it's pretty much just broke out. Afro. What's the ticker? AFR. Oh, Afrom. It's forming like this triangle. What the? I had this charted years ago. So it's sitting at a massive level of resistance. Affirm is sitting at a massive level of resistance. Then we kind of have this ascending triangle type of setup going on. So we have this resistance and we have ascending triangle. Looks good. CDLX. Okay. BA, yeah, for sure. Where is BA? Yeah, as we mentioned, BA is a falling knife on the 5 minute. Um, price target. What was the price target? Like 257.37. Upstart UPST. Yeah, we have UPST. Fire cycle. What is your watch list? We got a massive watch list. Right here is my watch list. I'm gonna remove. I'm gonna remove NUE because I'm not gonna play that setup on the ascending triangle. So yeah, our watch list for tomorrow is. I'll send it in the exclusive part of the Discord. But our watch list is obviously Macy's, Microsoft, PayPal. I think PayPal is gonna be. I think PayPal is gonna be the next play. I think PayPal is gonna be the next play after Macy's. Yeah. So we have, and then we have the EVs: Leo, Neo. I mean Neo, Lee, XPEV, Tesla. So yeah, we got a pretty good watch list. And then we got the Apple flag, but after Macy's, PayPal is what I'm kind of taking a look at. What's the best way to track PNL on trades made? Probably Excel sheet or something. Yeah. I used to have a Excel sheet, so I'll actually show you guys an example here. This was 2 years ago. I think probably 3 years now. I used to track all of my trades on a spreadsheet. Um, Back when I was starting out, because I don't do it now anymore, just because I've really learned the way. But I'll show you guys. Because back when I was starting out, every single trade I would do, I would have it on the spreadsheet, and then I'll put the chart into it. I'll have like a before and after chart. So I'll show you guys. Okay. I'll show you guys right now. This was back in, yeah, this was back in like 2020, 2021, 2022. So I would do something like this, but then I realized this is pointless. You know, like the profits and everything is pointless because what matters is the chart. Okay, like why the why matters. So for example, like 300%, like 50%, I could see and click the setup and the chart. So I played this Elliott wave on Apple. I clearly remember this. This was in 2021, so like 3 years ago now. Um, like this setup on Roku. Let's see. This was, oh my, I clearly remember this. I like remember all of my plays. Cause it's like I make a video on it, I post it on Discord, I think about it every day, all throughout the day. So I clearly remember this play. This was an incredible play. But yeah, I used to do that. Then I also did have one half for like losses. So I'm not even sure what happened here. But we had to break out for ascending triangle. Yeah, I could go endlessly. Yeah. Okay, let's go back to the chat. Um, Oracle gap fill. Okay, let's take a look at Oracle. Yeah, it kind of looks weak here, but it has this triangle here. So as long as if it kind of holds that support, it is going to look good. Any reason why Tesla is tailing? I think it's just kind of cooling off. Kind of just consolidating. Or it broke the ascending triangle and it's testing the level of support. Look at SMCI. Yes, I will. Yeah, I think we had this charted. It's kind of forming this cup. Macy's 0.6%. I just want to see Macy's above $20.40 and we're good. We're chilling. SSNT at $16 now. Good time to buy Mara. I think like lead call option plays are a smart. We talked about this on actually the Discord one time. Like lead call options, like a year out, 2 years out. But it broke off of the ascending triangle. It's going parabolic now. Chainlink. I'm not. Is that a crypto? I don't. What's the? Oh, it's the link. Oh, okay. Do you guys see what I'm seeing over here? Do you guys want to play the charting game again? What am I seeing here? Just like Bitcoin. They all just follow each other. Even the consolidation. Yeah, Mara is a crypto stock. They mine stuff. Chainlink. Yeah, just like Bitcoin. Why do you zoom out to check the chart? I have to see all the perspectives. I have to see, cause yeah, you have to see the overall perspective. I take a look at the monthly time frame, the weekly time frame, the daily time frame, and then the 5-minute time frame. It's important to have the full complete perspective. You don't want to be taking a look at like a very, very small move. So for example, with Macy's, we could see that the overall downtrend breakout, we broke out. Now we are trading sideways. So the trend is to the upside. So it makes sense to play with the trend. Like, yeah, I mean, yeah, you gotta have the full perspective. Man, SSNT at $16.20. Okay, it is up 24%. BLNK, I talked about BLNK. BLNK. Yeah, we talked about BLNK. I just have my stop loss at break even. Fire cycle. You just trade full time. Help me out of the rat race. I do computer science. But eventually we will. What about ICP? Is that like ICP as the stock or as, cuz I know the crypto, it has the setup. If you're trading leverage, because you could trade leverage on like offshore exchanges. Man, SPY is sleeping right now. Okay, wait, I just kind of realized something. We can't close like this. Let's remove my charts. This is going to be dangerous. If SPY closes like this, we kind of have this falling wedge. I mean, rising wedge. Man, this can be a bearish setup. We got to be careful here. We need to see a break. We need to see a close above 478. What does the triangle shape that you are drawing mean? I would have to go on a endless. I made a whole exclusive course on like technical analysis and triangles. But it's basically like when a stock consolidates, it's setting up for a move. But a ascending triangle is bullish because it is making higher lows, and a descending triangle is bearish because it is making lower highs. I go very in depth in the educational content. It's out of stock now, unfortunately, so you'll kind of have to wait probably like a month or something, because I have to kind of reset the small account challenge. Once the small account challenge hits $5,000, I'll restock it. So make sure to join. You can join the Discord, but yeah, I mean, I have to go in on like a 1 hour rant. How's Macy's doing? Come on, we need a 20-cent move on Macy's. It's 20 more cents. We are looking incredible. Higher lows. Hope you guys are having a great day. A fantastic day. in the markets and in real life. It's going to be very interesting to see on how Macy's closes. Because we're kind of consolidating on the 5 minute. We're setting up for a potential breakout. We can pop again. Then we can probably cool off at lunchtime. So we need to be above $12. And I think the most important thing for Macy's right now is that we close at the high. Okay, I think that is one of the most important things for Macy's, because if we close at the high and tomorrow at market open, we can have a momentum push. So like SSNT, the main confirmation for SSNT was when we closed above, and that confirmation of closing at the high is very bullish. Okay, it is very important to understand on how these candlesticks show. Okay, they show if it's bullish or bearish. So a candlestick like this is not attractive to something like this. It's very appealing to the human eye, which it's very fascinating and very interesting. RBXL, please. RBXL. It better not be like a penny stock. RB. Do you mean Roblox? I'm in Roblox long term. The shares that we had. You guys can search Fire Cycle 1 for Roblox. We got in Roblox at $27. My average was $27. And if it closes like this, it's GG's. It can for sure come back down and reject. I'm concerned a little bit about SPY. Wow. Macy's 0.87%. Let's go. Let's go. Man, I'm so excited. A close like this would be A, like a grade A, but a A plus close would be like right above the resistance. That would be a A plus close. Unless if it just gaps up tomorrow, like it's up like 2% during pre-market, and then boom, we just get out right at market open for a 100% gain. Bam. That would be solid. It's looking good. 0.9%. It's breaking out on the 5 minute. I don't have to take a look at the chart. The 5 minute chart. It's breaking out at on the 5 minute. We're 20% on our calls. Man. Wow. Stop stream. Do you trade pre-market and aftermarket? No. But I watch. No. I mean, but Macy's is a stock that moves during pre-market or aftermarket. So the XPEV play, we knew it was gonna kind of run up today because it was up over 2% in the Hong Kong market. So plays like what the plays like Alibaba, Baidu, like the Chinese stocks, they have their stock over in China, so they move like overnight a lot. Like it'll gap up 2% or it'll gap down 2%. Um, but no, I don't trade pre-market or aftermarket. Pre-market is very important though. Raven, where's my 9%, 0.9%? Okay, let's check my. I'll be posting my some stuff on Instagram also. So, oh shoot. Make sure to follow me on it's just Firecycle 114. Macy's 0.8%. Solid 100% on Macy's would be incredible. PFE. Wow. PFE is just bleeding right here. It's just a falling knife. It's dangerous to play calls at the level of resistance unless if it closes above. Because the confirmation, we need the confirmation to close above for it to be bullish. Let's see if you guys remember Pfizer. We played Pfizer back in right here. The cup and handle breakout. This was during the vaccine era in 2020, 2021. Do you have a specific contract and expiration for Tesla February call? Yes, I do. It's on the Discord. It was 2:45 strike, February 16th at 23.65. I only had one contract for the February expiration, only $2,000 on it. I mean, it's an option play, you know. I only risk like $1,000 to $2,000 on every option play. It's different for the small account challenge. I have like strict plays, strict A plus setups only. Or in general, it's just A plus setups. Like the alerts that I alert on Discord, they're pretty much like A plus setups only, except for like GameStop. Yeah, the small account challenge has started. It's at 2,200 right now. It's here. 1,000 to 500. 1,000 to 5,000. So we had the XPEV play. We got in at 495. Wait. Hold out. Wait, I'm confused. Yeah. Then we got out here. I bought 3 more contracts. And then we had SSNT. We got in at 1,500. I got out at 1,700, $200. And then we had a play on Google. So this was to buy. Boom. All here on Discord. And then we have the 20,000 to 100,000 long term. We got this very high risk. It's a crypto challenge. But this is A plus setups. And I only got, how much drive? I only got $490 on Macy's, because the strategy that I'm having right now is we have a $2,000 account now, and I'm putting 500 into each play. So we got 4 chance. That's the risk management strategy. But other small account challenges, up at $3,000, absolutely killing it. The Discord link is in the description. Right here. And then you also get the course and stuff. It's sold out, so you'll have to wait. But yeah, the goal for the small account challenge is 5,000. Once we hit that 5,000, I'll put all that money into Bitcoin. And then we're going to restart with 1,000 again. So hopefully in like a month or 2. And in a month or 2, we're probably going to play puts. So we got to be ready. If the market decides, to go down, we'll have to ride puts. We'll have to find setups for that and whatnot. But pretty much we're mostly bullish right now. Yeah. It's a lot of likes. Did I post the alert here? Okay, yeah. We're just waiting on Macy's now. But wait, where's PayPal? Oh shoot. It better not run. I don't want PayPal to run right now. Because I want the Macy's 100% gainer first. We take the money out of Macy's, put it into PayPal. Let's see how much the PayPal contracts are sitting at. Because I'm looking at a next week expiration for PayPal calls. A little bit higher risk because we have a catalyst on Wednesday, I believe. We have the FOMC meeting minutes. So we have an economic catalyst. So in the past 2 weeks, we didn't have like inflation numbers, or we didn't have the Fed interest rate decision. So a lot of times what matters is the catalysts. You have to see the whole picture. So let's see, because I'm taking a look at PayPal next week expiration. Price target would be $64. On the small account, are you risking the full $500 position? So the small account is $2,000 right now, and we're putting 500 into each play. So yeah, I mean, Are you risking the full? You mean like the whole $500 on Macy's, like 0 to hero? Because our stop loss on Macy's is like right at the support, so we're not risking the full $500, um, and we're not YOLOing the whole account into like one play, which we can do that if we want to, but it's just a little bit more risk. It could be nice, but I want to practice risk management and show you guys my risk management strategies, because it's a lot harder, because my real options account is 10,000 and I put 1,000 into each play, but with a 2,000 or a $1,000 account, it's a lot more explainable, and the capital is a lot lower. Yeah, PayPal. Okay, I was gonna check PFE. We talked about how Pfizer was in a falling knife, and how it needs to break above to be bullish. So let's take a look at PayPal. Next week expiration calls sitting around $127. So I could actually buy in a PayPal call right now. Probably just buy 2 contracts on the small account challenge. The only thing I'm concerned about is market is closed on Monday, so we have 3 days of data: Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and then on Wednesday we have the FOMC meeting minutes. Actually, let's check. Yeah, so we have the FOMC meeting minutes towards the end of the day. It's definitely gonna affect the market. We've been streaming for 2 hours and 30 minutes. Let's do a 3-hour stream, so 30 more minutes, and hopefully we can see some more confirmation on either PayPal or Macy's. But I'll let you guys know if I enter in PayPal to. Actually, okay, let's go. Let's go to the options profit calculator for PayPal. $64 price target. If I want to grab a next week call option, grab 62 at the money. I think this is a no-brainer. 1.6% move. Let's do. Shoot. $64. That would be a 11% expiration. What do you think about the 111 call? Okay. PayPal is for sure setting up. I think I'm gonna enter in. Wait, let me see. Okay. Do I grab this week expiration or? Okay, let's do. Okay. I got into PayPal. quickly sending the alert on Discord for the small account challenge play. Buy to open. $63 call. $105. So got a next week expiration, 105 at 1.29. Times 3. Two solid plays. 64 price target, that would be around a 40% gain if we hit tomorrow. Buy to open PayPal. Okay. Boom. We're looking good. Yeah, I'm in PayPal and Macy's now. PayPal call options next week expiration. Macy's call options next week expiration. Both with very similar setup. Both of them need to close above, like this right here, this right level. So check the 1,000 to 5,000 small account. So projected gains for Macy's is 100%. For PayPal, it's 50%. So that would leave the small account challenge at like 3,000. Macy's up 4%, PayPal up 2%. Okay. Yeah, we just need to close here to send the alert on Discord, on all the Discords. Okay. Is anyone in PayPal with me? I know a lot of you guys are in Macy's, but I just entered in PayPal. Looking good. What did you get for PayPal? I got next week, January 5th, and right at the money. I could honestly, I could buy like couple tomorrow expiration. I could do that. Because I think we're just going to pop tomorrow. We hit 64, I'm out. I take my 30%, 50% gains. I'm out. Boom. This is more like a one-day trade. But we need to close like this. Okay, that is the important factor, that we close like this. Because during before market closes, like we can just dump and boom, hit the support. We need that close above. Macy's and PayPal, we need that close above, or else we are not looking good. Okay? We need to see that close above. And we're in lunchtime right now. Typically during lunchtime is when we get that cool off. Let's take a look at Macy's. Sheesh. Macy's is consolidating here. PayPal had a ascending triangle on the 5-minute. Take a look at how, again, we respected this resistance. But I have to keep saying this. We need to close above. We need to close above. Close like this would be incredible, you know, or it can wick out, you know. Plug is doing well too. Yeah. We're almost at 3 hours of live stream. Yeah, I'm going to be going live right at market open tomorrow. I hope to get out of PayPal and Macy's so that I don't have, you know, anything over the weekend, anything short term over the weekend. Why do you care so much about the closing price and need them above the price target? What is that indicating? It indicates that we have broken the trend. Okay, that is the key factor. We can, for example, with let's take a look at Enphase, for example. Not Enphase. What was the play? RTX. So, for example, let's take a look at RTX. We were trading sideways. The main confirmation was to close above. If we did not close above, you know, we could have just traded sideways again between the zones. And I have to keep stressing this on how important the close above is, because that is the start of a uptrend. A strong bullish candle and close above indicates that we have broken the downtrend, and now the trend has reversed. We have gone from a falling knife to a downtrend reversal. Now the trend is to upside, and we are playing the continuation to the upside. It is very, very important. So for PayPal and for Macy's, once we close above, it shows that, okay, we're done trading sideways. We are done trading sideways. It has broken out yet. And the reason that I entered in now, or instead of like right here, is because look at how tight it has gotten. So it is a matter of time before it breaks out. So a close like this would be mad bullish. Oh my god, SSNT up 30%. It's at $17 now. It just keeps going up. Man. It keeps going up. Man, SSNT. Don't you have OKTA in your watch list? I see the setup, like the consolidation setup, potential breakout. Yeah. Let's take a look at QQQ. Yeah, the rising wedge is concerning. Because one thing to also keep in mind is if we have like a setup on, for example, PayPal, okay, we have this nice symmetrical triangle breakout. It looks good. The chart is looking perfect. The stock itself is looking incredible. But if QQQ and Apple and Google and the overall market does not look good, they can pull PayPal down. So you also have to kind of also look into that probability, and you have to take account of everything. There's like a lot of things that you have to take account. So the one thing, so everything looks good. Macy's looks good, PayPal looks good, the chart looks good. We just need to close above. My only concern is SPY. SPY needs to close a little bit more bullish, as well as QQQ. Do you guys kind of see this like rising wedge? Hi, can you do a quick TA on CJET? It's an 18-cent stock. Have the stop loss close below this trend line at 0.77. Looks good here. Okay, let's see how much I'm up on PayPal. %7. Man, a close like this would be incredible. If SPY closes weak today, do we sell our positions? I honestly don't know yet. We really have to see 5 minutes before market closes. We have to see. The most important times for the market are the first 15 minutes, because that decides the whole momentum for the day. Then we have lunchtime, which is taking profits, and then 5 minutes before close, because that decides on how we are going to look on the daily time frame. So those are the three most important times. So 5 minutes before close, I'll be doing an analysis on Macy's and SPY, QQQ, and PayPal, and I'll keep you guys updated on the Discord. Wait, let's see how much. Okay, PayPal is up 1%. Up 10% on PayPal and up 14% on Macy's. Alt, ALT. What is this? Okay. Looks like it's just going parabolic. I just wouldn't trade it. I don't see. Are options even available for this stock? Yeah, I don't know. But man, SSNT is up 30% today. It's incredible. It's crazy. Did we hit 3 hours yet? Oh, wait, 9 more minutes. Okay. Yeah, man, SSNT. Wow. What a play. What a play. If you are in the premium Discord, let me know what you guys think of the courses, the stock market psychology course, and if you guys have any questions, let me know in the chat. Because I want to improve on that. I want to make it like the best educational on technical analysis and pour out all of my teachings over there. The question is, this is the real question, is Macy's going to pull a SSNT? The chances of that happening are a lot lower, especially with the $21 potential buyout for Macy's. But man, a 31% move. XPEV was up 8% today, like around open. Now it's up 3.5%. Gladwood took in profits. Macy's 0.6%. PayPal 1.08%. Yeah, look at this close. Like, this is not a bullish close. But if it does come back down below, which I hope it does, I'm just going to play it again. If QQQ and SPY close weak, honestly, no, I don't think I'm going to sell. It's just something that I'm cautious of and something that I am aware of. It's something that I'm concerned about. You know, this, because if we take a look at our previous breakouts, you know, these are very, very bullish candlesticks. And then when we break to the downside, these are very, very bearish candlesticks. You know, we need these bulging candlesticks, because a candlestick like this is showing us uncertainty. It is showing us, it's not showing us strength and momentum. It's showing us signs of potentially reversing or trading sideways, like this. You know, just trading sideways. You know, like whenever we trade sideways, like this is how the candlesticks look. Weak. I mean, it's fine if we trade sideways. That's fine. Trading sideways. Sending triangle breakout. Another breakout. PayPal $64 price target. I can actually move this now. Now we have a ascending triangle. Again, close like this would be mad bullish. I'm gonna quickly get a drink of water. I'll be back in like 3 minutes. Okay, we are back right here. PayPal is running. PayPal. Okay, Macy's. Let's see how much we're up. 13% on PayPal, 16% on Macy's. Man, if we had $64 today for PayPal, I'm out. But it can for sure. Especially during power hours. The last 5 minutes are called power hours, or the last 15 minutes. Price target in PayPal, $64. Yeah, $64. Let's see. 0.2%. Yeah. $3,000, $1,000. These are two solid setups. And look at how tight. I just love how tight they are getting. We have officially been streaming for 3 hours now. I think that's a record. Wait, how much is SSNT is up 34%, man. Oh my god, when is it gonna stop? Oh, shit. 21, 26. This chart is so appealing. Man, I'm excited for tomorrow right at market open. So SSNT, then we got PayPal right at market open. Let's see. Okay, let's see what SPY is doing. Because I'm kind of surprised, to be honest, with the. Because once SPY is 480, that's where we got to be cautious. We got to be careful. And I'm going to have a turn in events. I'm going to lower my lower my plays, and I'll be a lot more cautious. Man. Okay. Gotta be kidding me. $17. .28%. PayPal. Macy's 0.7%. We have lunchtime. We're in lunchtime now. We are in lunchtime. Let's take a look at the 5-minute. I want to see what. Man. BLNK 4%. Okay, let's check. PayPal 1.26%, 13% on PayPal, 16% on Macy's. We close like this, we're bullish for tomorrow. Then we get out tomorrow and we take in profits and hopefully have no positions over the weekend. Like short-term positions, like 2 weeks, 3 weeks out. The February expiration on Tesla is a long play. Yeah, but next week's newsletter is gonna be huge. PayPal 1.3%. It's up 1.3%. Now we still have the possibility of pulling something like this. This looks good. And this looks good. Just need that close. What is your play on Tesla? So we had one trade on Tesla, which was this ascending triangle breakout. And then we had a swing, which I got out. It's on the free alerts section of the Discord. Tesla 245 call, February 16th. This was a couple week swing play. Made a whole video on that. So if you are interested, you could check that video out. Jim Cramer said Tesla's not going to do good. So that was another confirmation that we got. And our price target on Tesla is $300 by our expiration day, which is February 16th. So we're talking about here. By here, we hit $300. It's looking really good. Let's check. Yeah, this is our longest stream. 3 hours. Yeah. Time to play the Neo Gap soon. Let's take a look at that. Yeah. Look at this wick and how it rejected for sure. Neo is for sure a great play, but I'm probably gonna pass on it since I'm in PayPal and Macy's. It's not like a A+ setup, but yeah, this gap looks good. I would like it to consolidate a little bit more, but yeah, it looks good. Neo is good. Neo and all the other EVs like XPEV. We had a video on EV stocks 2 days ago. We're looking good. Getting so tight right here. Let's take a look at BA. Alright guys, in any other stocks, let me know in the chat. You think a Tesla 260 call with your I'm honestly not too sure. I just feel like the entry that I have on Tesla, it's like a pretty perfect entry. Like I wouldn't buy another Tesla contract here. It's this resistance. Once we break above 265, we got 277. So I think we'll see. Where's my chart? Here, consolidation. Here, consolidation. Up, consolidation, up, consolidation, up, consolidation, up, consolidation, up, consolidation. That's the pattern. Yeah, so this is pretty much it. We're going to be holding on to PayPal and Macy's into tomorrow, the two stocks that I'm watching right at market open. I'll let you guys know in the Discord, okay? Join the Discord, link in the description, where you guys can kind of chat with me. So I'll leave that right here in the chat. Where's the live chat? Where's the live chat? Okay. And make sure to subscribe with notifications on. Make sure to subscribe with notifications on, because I will be going live right at market open. Okay, we're going to be going live right at market open. Exactly. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow right around market open, and see you guys in the Discord chat. Take care, have a great day. I'll be dropping a video today on PayPal and Macy's, and yeah, see you guys tomorrow.